Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Quick Launch into a Vivo Y76 5G. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into shortcuts and accessibility option, this one. Next, go into quick action, and here need tapping on this switcher to activate this option. And now, for example, I wanna open camera, and let's try. When screen is off, press and hold the volume down button. Okay, block our phone, press and hold. And how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.